A very good morning to class 3. Today we'll do alpha grammar and composition as we have finished our reader syllabus and we are doing tenses. Now in tenses we have done simple present tense. Today we will do simple past tense. Now simple present tense we have come to know a lot of rules about it. Now we'll be doing simple past tense. Now in this page what we will do is simple past tense. Now, what is simple past tense? Simple past tense means जो चीज़ हो चुकी हो हम उसमें क्या टेंस लगाएंगे. Okay. Now let's read a story about it. Ruby and Dad went on a hot air balloon ride. You know there is a ride, एक सवारी होती है जिसमें hot air balloon होता है. Hot air balloon से लोग सवारियाँ करते हैं. Just like आप एरोप्लेन में जाते हैं या आप जेट में जाते हैं, ऐसे ही हॉट एयर बलून भी होता है. आफ्टर दिस वीडियो ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट पास्ट टेंस आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ वीडियो विद यू about a hot air balloon also. you must you must see that video. You will come to know what an hot air balloon is. So Ruby and Dad went on a hot air balloon ride. The pilot told them to follow the safety instructions. पायलट ने क्या कहा? पायलट ने कहा कि सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करो, क्योंकि जब आप हॉट एयर बैलून में ऊपर उड़ोगे तो आपको सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी फॉलो करने हैं. सो इन दिस sentences, in this paragraph, there are two words which are written dark. One is went and the other is told. So went is a verb and it is a past tense of go, and told is a verb which is a past tense of tell. The balloon began to lift into the air. Now balloon धीरे धीरे लिफ्ट करके ऊपर जाने लगा एयर में. Begin का past tense began. Soon it rose high above the ground. Soon it rose. Rise का past tense rose. वो ground से ऊपर उड़ गया. Ruby and Dad saw the houses below. नीचे उन्होंने houses देखे. See का past tense saw. And the houses look so small, said Ruby with delight. Ruby ने बोला अरे houses कितने छोटे लग रहे हैं. Said, say का past tense said. So all these dark letter words are past tense of a verb. So this is a story. We use the simple past tense to talk about things that happen in the past. Example, the train arrived early in the morning. Arrive means आई. कब आई? Early morning आई. Arrive का past tense arrived. So what else do you think Ruby and Dad saw from the balloon? Where did Ruby and Dad go? Where did Ruby and Dad go? Now when did come in a question, we always write the first form of verb. Did लिख दिया तो go आएगा. Where did Ruby and Dad go? Ruby and Dad, go का past tense. Ruby and Dad went on a hot air balloon ride. What happened after the balloon lifted into the air? It rose. The balloon rose. Rise का past tense rose. It rose high above the ground. What did Ruby and Dad see? Ruby and Dad saw the houses below, and the houses looked very small. Look ka answers looked. So these are the questions which we have answered it in the past tense. Now replace each underlined verb with a suitable verb from the story above. On Sunday, Dad tells Ruby about hot air balloons. On Sunday, Dad, what is the past tense of tells? Told. Dad told Ruby about hot air balloon. Ruby and Dad then, go ka past tense they went on a hot air balloon ride. The pilot begin ka past tense began to take the balloon up into the air. As the balloon rises ka past tense rose. Ruby see ka past tense saw. Ruby saw the houses getting smaller and smaller. This is such a fun, she said. So you have to convert the present tense into the past tense of the underlined words, okay, in the book itself. Now fill in each blank with a verb from the box below. The vase break ka past tense broke. The vase broke because it got knocked over by the wind. वॉज क्या होता है? फ्लावर पॉट को वॉज बोला जाता है. वो गिर गया, वो टूट गया क्योंकि विंड ने, हवा ने उसको गिरा दिया. देन उसके बाद पैट Write का past tense wrote a letter to her cousin in India. The cat made no sound as it crept into the room. Crept मतलब धीरे धीरे चलती हुई आई. Creep का past tense crept. The cat made no sound as it crept into the room. We thought we were lose का past tense lost, but Chen knew the way. Ali spoke to his coach yesterday. Speak का past tense spoke. So all these past tense we have put it in the blank. The simple past tense form of some verbs does not end in D or ED, but it is quite different from the base form. Okay, now after this, the next page is circle the correct verb to complete its sentences. Yes, very easy. Dhruv wake or woke up at midnight to see the lunar eclipse. He woke up, उठा. Wake up नहीं, अभी नहीं उठा है, पहले उठा. He woke up at midnight to see the lunar eclipse. My brother taught me how to tie my shoelaces. मेरे ब्रदर ने मेरे को सिखाया. Taught, teach का past tense taught. अगर ये simple present tense होता तो teaches होता. ओके, अगर ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट होता तो वेक्स होता, लेकिन वो नहीं है, इसीलिए वी हैव सर्कल द पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ इट. सुरेश स्लिप्ड एंड फेल डाउन द स्टेयर्स. इरोम सेंट अ पार्सल टू हर मदर लास्ट वीक. सेंड का पास्ट टेंस सेंट. मम ड्रोव अस टू द म्यूजियम. ड्राइव का पास्ट टेंस ड्रोव. So circle the correct simple past tense form of the verbs given below. Buy का buyed होगा कि bought होगा. Bought is you have to circle bought. Eat का eated नहीं होगा, ate होगा. Fly का flied नहीं होगा, flew होगा. Sell का sold. Break का braked नहीं, broke. Hear का heard नहीं, heard. HEARD, not heard. Bend का bent होगा, bended नहीं होगा. ड्रिंक का ड्रैंक, ड्रिंक्ड नहीं होगा. और टीयर का टीयर नहीं होगा, टोर होगा. टीयर मीन्स फाड़ना, टोर मीन्स फाड़ा. बिल्ड का बिल्ट होगा, बिल्ड का बिल्ट होगा. ओके, नाउ इन द ग्रिड बिलो फाइंड द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स गिवन इन द बॉक्सेस. नाउ फाइंड का यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट फाउंड. नाउ आई विल नॉट गिव, यू हैव टू डू द ग्रिड बाय योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू डू द मेज बाय योरसेल्फ. ये रिडल आपको खुद करनी है. फाइंड का मैं आपको पास्ट टेंस सबके बताऊंगी. फाइंड का पास्ट टेंस फाउंड. रन का रैन. ड्रॉ का ड्रू. सिट का सैट. ब्लो मीन्स फूक मारना, उसका पास्ट टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, ब्लू. सिंग मीन्स गाना, सैंग. थिंक का थॉट. एंड मीट का मेट. सो प्लीज फाइंड आउट दीज वर्ड्स इन दिस ग्रिड एंड make the words. Okay, children? So this is simple past tense, one worksheet we did today. Tomorrow we'll do other worksheets from the, I'll give you more worksheets of simple past tense tomorrow. And just do this and submit your work. Thank you and have a nice day.